Introducing our FastCOLOUR Lite large format printer with a single EPSON XP600 printhead, designed and manufactured by am.co.za. The highlights of this printer is that it features a 1800mm printing area. It uses eco-solvent ink that is able to print on vinyl with a waterproof finish. It has an integrated front heater, a dryer, and a take-up roller. And the greatest highlight is that it comes packaged with a ridiculously low price. Let's take a look at the machine and let me show you all the features. The printer features a bulk ink system with a CMYK 4-color ink tank able to take water-based ink, sublimation ink, and eco-solvent ink. The bulk ink system drastically lowers your running cost, and at am.co.za we also sell the ink at very low prices. So all you need to do is fill the tanks with the bottled ink and then top up when needed. No more expensive cartridges. Below the ink tanks are two rigged aluminium bars that support two rolled media feeders built onto the slider. This is to place your rolled media that feeds into the machine. The feeders have a dampening adjustable function that controls the tension on the pulling. The distance between the feeder is also adjustable to cope with different widths of the rolled media. Let's move on to the side of the machine. Here is where the plug for the power cable is located, together with the switch and built-in fuse. Under these is the 100-meter network cable to connect to your computer for a fast and stable printing process. Moving to the front. At the right hand of this large format printer is the control panel for all tasks such as cleaning, adjusting the start position, changing the heating temperature, and so on. It is all conveniently done from this one central point. We have a dedicated video on how to use the functions from the control panel. You will find this video on our technical support videos website, sorted.co.za. Let's continue with the front of the machine. Open this cover and you will see the EPSON XP600 printhead and the dampeners that control the ink flow from the back of the machine to the printhead. The XP600 printhead from EPSON is disposable and very cheap to replace. On the purchase of this machine from us, our trained technicians will install the printhead for you and teach you how to do the necessary maintenance. Now let's move to the carriageway. Here you can see the capping station. As the name suggests, cap the printhead when not in use, to provide protection and cleaning when needed. The FastCOLOUR Lite printer was developed in 2018. We no longer use the push-to-lift type of capping station, as in our previous models. This model features a motor lifting type of capping system. It makes it much easier to align and it is more durable and requires less maintenance. Now, this handle is to lift up and place down all pinch rollers at the same time. And the printing bed, or printing platform, includes a built-in vacuum fan to hold the media flat when printing. The printing platform also has an internal heating system with levels of temperature settings, which are controlled by way of the front display panel. Then there is the front heater and dryer. The heater is to heat up the media and make the ink dry, and the dryer is a fan system that blows the vapor away to avoid the dried media from absorbing the vapor. For printed roll media, if you want to roll it back after print, you have to get it very, very dry. Otherwise, the ink will stick the printing media together and mess everything up. This is why the extra front drying system is so important when you want to roll your project back after printing. Talking about rolling back, below the front dryer is the take-up roller, also called the winder, to roll the media back in either direction of rolling. Now let's see this fantastic machine in action, and I'll tell you more about it whilst it is printing. This printer helps you to create billboards, outdoor banners, outdoor graphics, large posters, floor graphics, indoor posters and canvases. The possibilities are endless. And now you too can start your very own business at a very affordable price. Oh, and I forgot to mention, Included in the price of this machine is the RIP software. You'll receive your printer in a crated box, and if you prefer, our technical staff can install the machine for you. The machine has an automatic printhead cleaning function included, anti-tank blocking, auto flush and moisturizing. Our FastCOLOUR Lite large format printer provides bidirectional printing, which enables continuous printing at every pass and keeps the output time strictly to a minimum. We sell our own 5-liter EPSON ink that comes in cyan, magenta, yellow and black. You can find more information on our EPSON ink by visiting ecosolventink.co.za. Perhaps you're not financially ready yet to purchase one of our large format printers. Well, allow us to make it easier for you. Now, you are able to rent to own one of these fantastic machines through us. Visit a2.co.za today to find out more about our rent-to-own options offered by our partner company, Bismatic. The FastCOLOUR printer comes with a 1-year warranty, RIP software, barcode database and history. For more information, visit am.co.za or call sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.